Still trying to figure out how people get those super crazy POV angles where it'll have like the whole dang, like right here is my shift knob, but y'all can't really see it. And I've seen POVs before where people were able to see it, so I don't really know what's going on there. I'll figure it out. One of these days, man, I'm gonna figure it out. Recording in traffic, man, it's weird. I mean, I got window tint, so people can't really see 100%, but coming at me from like the, you know, these people driving towards me, they can see. Traffic's being weird. It's quite packed, so I think I'm gonna flip this back on when I'm on the highway. Okay, so it's not the highway, but I just wanted to show y'all how traffic-y traffic is right now. Hopefully you can see it in the camera. Let me turn on the music. Ooh. Trying to pick up a dang copyright. $12.56 on a Saturday, dude. Traffic is really doing traffic things right now. I don't have a external mic yet. When I do get one, I'm putting that thing right up on the dang exhaust so that y'all can hear that. Mute. In case y'all didn't know, I do drive a manual WRX, so I gotta be like on top of my crap, man, compared to these dang auto drivers. Finally on the highway, dude. Only took freaking 12 years. See if I can get around this dang truck. Adjust the camera some here. Hopefully